Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1 ledger chapter. According to your textbook, this is chapter number 9. When I started doing this video of this chapter, the first video I told you the three things or the three steps you have to learn from this chapter. Overall, all what you have to learn from this chapter, that is the three things. One, how to do the posting from journal to ledger. This is first step. And the second step, how to do the balancing. And the third step it was how to find out the balance. First step was the how to do the posting, second is how to do the totaling, and third is how to do the balancing. Out of these three steps, the first step was little difficult compared to the second and third. And first step, how we will do the posting from simple journal, combined journal, subsidiary books as well as the cash books. That all I explain according to my experience, and I try in my level best to make you understand. This chapter I taught you in my own method. You can, if you like, you can follow it, otherwise you can follow whatever the way or the method it is given in your textbook. That also more or less all are same. Now I will teach you the last two methods together, last two steps together, totaling and balancing. Look at the board very carefully. How we will find out the balancing of each ledger. Balancing means totaling and balancing. If you want to do the balancing, automatically the totaling it will be included. Without doing total, you cannot find out the balance. So, how we will do the totaling as well as the balancing of the each ledger, that I will tell you. Here, I have drawn the four ledger. 1, 2, this is 3, and that is 4. 4 different types, 4 ledger format I have drawn. And I have given the name. One is the cash account, that is the salary account, and is the commission receipt account, and is the X account. Question may come from your mind, sir, why you have taken only 4? Because I have given the example that the totaling and balancing, 4 different types of ledger it will come. Out of these 4, any one will come. Whatever the ledger posting if you do, suppose if you do the ledger posting of the 20 journals, I have given you 20 journals and I told you do the ledger posting. In 20 journals, you will get 20 into 2 is equal to 40 accounts. Because each ledger you will get 2 accounts. So 20 journal you will get 40 account, and out of the 40 accounts, suppose 10 account will be the common. So 30 new account you have to open. And all these 30 account, it will be either the number 1 or number 2 or number 3 or number 4. Out of this 4, any one option will come. So if you want to know how to do the totaling and balancing of all like this 4, I have given the name salary account. You can give the name of OGS account. Here commission receipts, suppose bank interest. One I have taken the expense account, another I have taken income account, another I have taken Mr. X personal account, and another I have taken cash account. Whenever you have done the ledger posting, you might have seen that these 4 type of ledger posting will come. How? Because ledger posting, whenever you have done, that time you have seen some of the ledger, both the sides it was posted. Some of the account you wrote this side, some of the account you wrote this side. Both the sides posting was there. Some of the account you might have seen that only one side posting was there and the side posting is not there. I am writing it here. Some of the account you will find out that debit side posting is not there, but credit side posting was there. And some of the account you will find out both the side posting was there, but total of the both the sides are same. One second, I want to tell you how many ledgers you have to open. All this ledger, it will be common with any one. Like that both the side posting, like that one side posting, like that debit side posting, like that credit side posting, debit side nothing is posted there, here credit side nothing is posted there, and both the side posting are there, but the amount of both the columns will be equal like that. Now I want to show you from the journal how you are doing the posting. Suppose this is cash account. Cash account first we write to balance BD. This is suppose 5,000 where ledger posting will not be done. इसका ledger posting नहीं होता है. This is not X. इसका ledger posting नहीं होता है. This one. Okay, that I am not writing. Now, some all this one you think about the January date which I am not writing. January 2016. Everywhere. 2016 January. Okay. 2016 January. Everywhere I am not writing that you understand that 2016 January posting we are doing. First one, then cash account debit. Suppose to sales account, it is 20,000. Cash account debit to sales. You understand? Cash account debit to sales. Sales account I am not open. I want to show you how we will do the totaling and balancing of each ledger. Just example I wrote, you have received a cash after selling the goods, that is 5, that is 20 to Mr. Y account, suppose 30,000. This is buy purchase, suppose this is 25,000, and here you pay suppose Y wages. Salary. By salary of rupees 10,000. What I have taken example. Both the sides accounts are there. Both the sides postings are there. Here two posting. There will be so many are there, but I have taken the two from debit side, column credit account, credit side, debit account, and this is also. That means this side two posting and this side posting. Two posting I have done. But I want to tell you, some of the ledger you will find out both the side posting was there. This is one example of both the sides. Some of the ledger you will find out credit side no posting was there. Only debit side posting was there. Salary account debit to cash. Suppose it is 10,000. और एक बार है जो भी है एक ही पोस्टिंग. डेबिट साइड में पोस्टिंग है, क्रेडिट साइड में पोस्टिंग नहीं है. सपोज और एक बार है सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, इट इज 5,000. सपोज दिस इज 25. इसका मैंने दूसरा चेक नहीं दिखाया, मैंने ऐसा दिखाया एक अकाउंट का एक ही साइड में पोस्टिंग होता है, दूसरा साइड में कोई पोस्टिंग नहीं है. सिमिलरली दिस साइड नो पोस्टिंग इज देयर, बट दिस साइड पोस्टिंग वाज देयर. सपोज दिस इज बाय कैश, by cash, it is 5,000, this is 10 and this is 15 by bank. Suppose this is 10. Question में आंसर cash account debit to commissions. Where you are not written cash account debit to commissions? That I am not written. You can write it here. 10th May cash account debit to commission. How much? 5 आना. I am taking the example. Sum of the ledger you will get the posting of both the sides. Amount you will get both the columns. Debit carried as the credit. Some of the accounts you will get posting in only debit. Credit posting is not there. Not a single account. Some of the accounts you will get the debit side posting is not there. Only credit side posting is there. And some of the account you will get both the sides posting. Suppose Mr. X account debit to sales of rupees 30,000, or एक बार suppose this is 25 and this is 30, or एक बार to sales it is 20,000 and this is suppose by cash of rupees 25,000 and or एक बार by bank of rupees 25,000. Try to understand what I am telling you. Once again I am telling you. How many ledgers you will get? All the ledgers, it will be common with 1 out of 4. Once again I am telling you. If you are having suppose 30 ledgers out of the 50 journals or 40 journals, 30 new ledgers you got. So each ledger will be common with either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. That means some of the ledgers you will get the posting of both the sides. Some of the ledgers you will get the posting of one side, debit sides. Some of the ledgers you will get the posting of the only credit sides. And some of the ledgers you will get the posting of both the credit and debit, like that. But amount of total of debit and credit will be same. Here, total of debit and credit are not same. You will get a doubt, sir, what is the difference between these two? Cash account and Mr. X account. Difference is there. Posting on both the sides are there. But their total is 50, their total is 50. But their total is not same. It is total is 35. It is total is 35, 40 and plus 20, 60. Now, one by one, I want to show how we will do the totaling and balancing. Once if you are able to understand out of these all four options or the situations, then remaining all the ledger you will be able to close it. Ledger posting chapter is such type of chapter. If you get confused, you will get confused more. If you understood, it will be very easy for you. So let us come on the first one, where both the side postings are there, but total of both the sides are not equal. See, total of both the columns, amount columns are not equal. Step by step you follow. What step we will follow here? Same step we will follow the remaining three. First one. First, we will take the cash account and we will look forward the two amounts columns. One is the debit amount column and is the credit amount column. Just we will look and orally we will try to find out if possible which side is more. Heavier side is total of which side is more, or heavier side is either debit side or credit side. Here I know debit side is more. Sometimes it may be reverse also, but generally cash account credit side more does not count. Anyhow, things is there. Step by step you have to understand which side total is more. This is or this is. This is 35. This is more than 35. So obviously the total of this side is more. First step is there. Which side total is more, that side total you have to write first. First step. Which side total is more, that side total you have to write first. After putting a straight line. How much is coming? This is 35, 40, 60. Now you will write here 60,000. And that 60 in the same parallel line, in the opposite side you have to write 60. And you have to close it. First step. Once again I have to repeat you. First step is there, which side total is more, that side make it a total after putting a single line and then write total and then you put a double line which indicating that closing. Same thing, first step we have done. Second step. Second step is there, which side total is less, if total is debit side is more, obviously credit side total will be less. Which side total is less, that side how much is less, that you write above the total. What I say? Which side total is less, find out how much is less to make it a total of 60,000 and write the difference of that side above the total. This side total is less, this is 60 and this is 35, that means how much will come? 5 से 5 का 7 1 और 2 दिए 4 2 6 4 2 25 आता है, 50 60 yes 25 25,000. This is called balance. This is called total. This is called balance. How much is the less to make it a total of opposite side is called balance. So balance is 25,000. This is your second step, but second step still it is not completed. Second step you have to write here the last date of the month. That is month of January, so it comes 31st. And if it is coming balance, if it is coming this side, we will write by. If it is coming this side, we will write 2. Sometimes it may come, this balance comes this side also, if this side total is more. So which side the balance will come, that indicating which side is less. Only keep in mind which side is less, that side balance will come. Balance will write above the total, last date of the month, and by balance CD. CD means carried down or CF, carry forward. So let me follow one CD on and BD. So by balance CD, follow carry forward, so carry down. So we will write 25,000 first, then we will write last date and we will write CD. Keep in mind CD will come which side is less. Your work is not over. This is second step. Third step is there, which side you got this balance. Obviously you will get the lesser side. Then this amount you write in the opposite side below the total. And date will come next date of that date. This is 31st means 1st of February. 1st February 16. There are two sides to balance BD. BD means brought down. That is indicating this is your closing balance of the cash account in the month of January, which you have transferred to the next month in the beginning, 1st of February, opening balance. जैसे आपने यहाँ लिखा था to balance BD. Similarly, next month when you open the cash account, that time also I write to balance BD 25,000. यहाँ तक आपको काम कंप्लीट होगा. और एक बार आपको बोल देता है, स्टूडेंट्स विल गेट कंफ्यूज. सर बीडी सीडी कौन सा साइड में लिखना है, कौन सा डेट पे लिखना है, कहाँ लिखना है, अबव द टोटल, बिलो द टोटल. आप ये सब बोल रहे हैं, सब कंफ्यूजन होने का जरूरत नहीं है. 3 स्टेप फॉलो करना है. और एक बार बोल देता है, फर्स्ट स्टेप which side is more, that side you write it. Total is 60,000. Same total you write in the opposite side and close it. First step is over. Second step, which side is less, how much is less, that you write the amount. And that amount you write above the total. Second step, keep in mind, which side is less, that side you write the amount, how much is less, and that you write the above the total. And that first will come CD, then will come BD. तो पहला आपने ये लिखा वो CD का है. ओके, CD will come first. तो बाद में आपको 31st लास्ट डेट में लिखना है और बाय बैलेंस CD. ओके, एंड थर्ड स्टेप इज देयर, which side CD is coming, write to the opposite side below the total. This is below the total, this is above the total, this is last date, this is next day of the last day. 31st January means 1st February, and 2 balance BD 25,000. लिख के छोड़. This is called totaling and balancing of both the sides posted ledger. Now same formula we will apply here also, which I told you the system or the method or the process, that only we will do it. But you think that it is posted in the other sides. How? Look at this please. What I told you, write the total of the heavier side. This side, how much amount you are having? No amount, means zero. I can tell the amount is zero here. No amount is written means amount is nil. And this side how much? 15,000. What I taught you there, that you follow. Which side is more? Okay, this side. This is zero side. So you add it. How much? 15,000. And here also you write 15,000. Close it. First step is over. Second step. Which side is less? That side how much is less? That you write. To make it a 15,000, how much I have to write here? Because here zero amount is there. Suppose if it is 5,000 already there, then I will write 10. 5,000 if it is posting already there, then I will write 10. Suppose there zero posting is there, so how much I will write? 15. 15 is your balance. Total is 15, but balance also 15 because no amount was written in the credit side. And what we will write? We will write by balance CD. Which date? 31st. Second step is over. Third step, CD which side comes, the opposite sides below the total write BD. Because you have to write the CD and BD. Both are called balancing. So CD comes this side, we write BD opposite side, that is first level. To balance BD. How much? 15,000. Over. The step what we followed here, same step we followed here also. This is zero. Once again you follow total of these sides. We make it a total of that sides. We close it. Same parallel line, single line, total, close. Single line, total, close. First step is over. Second step, which side is less? I told which side is less. You don't think every time this side will be less. ये दोनों में दोस्त ये साइड में लेस हुआ, कभी कभी उल्टा भी हो सकता है. इसलिए मैं I will tell you which side is less. This side is less. So find out the balance. How much is less? 15,000. And write last date of the month by balance sheet 15,000. And same balance will come in the opposite side below the total next date. That is CD. That is ED. Now come to the next one. Reverse. This side total nothing posting is there. Posting is in the credit side. Here posting is in the debit side. Now tell me which side is more? Credit side is more. How much is the total? You change it, no problem. 15,000 is there. Okay, there are also 15,000. Let it be 15,000. Then you write here. This is the reverse of that. Debit side posting was there. Here credit side posting was there. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. 15 you write the opposite side. Now which side balance will come? Which side is less? Here credit side balance came. Here debit side balance is coming. How much? 15,000. Because no amount was written here. And this is two sides. Don't write this is by side. This is two sides. So it will come to balance CD. And 31st. So this is first step. This is second step. Which side is less? That side balance will come above the total. Which side is less? That side balance will come above the total, and that is CD balance. First we will write CD. When I taught you the trade discount and cash discount, if you get the trade discount and cash discount both in the same question, so which one you have done first? TD, then CD. So trade discount will come first, cash discount will come second. Here also, the CD will come first, then BD. And CD which side will come? Which side is less? And which side CD is coming? Opposite side BD will come. Here CD comes credit side, BD comes debit side. Here CD comes credit side, BD comes debit side. Here CD comes debit side, so BD will come credit side. And CD is always last date of the month, BD is always नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ द लास्ट डेट। दो तीन चीज याद रखना है। Which side is less, that side CD will come. Which side CD is coming, opposite side BD will come. Or I can say which side is more, that side BD will come. इतना कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना है। Which side is less, that side CD will come. एक ही सेंटेंस याद रखना है। और जो जहाँ CD आया उसका ऑपोजिट में BD आ जाएगा और BD आएगा नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ द CD। That is to balance or understands? Next, you will get one more type of ledger where both the sides posting are there, but both the sides total are not different at all. It may be 10 plus 20 50 or 25 25 50 or 25 25 50 or 10 plus 30 50, whatever it is. How many transactions are coming here to there I wrote, it may be 3 also. Suppose here I wrote 5 plus 1 more, it is 20 and this is 15. 15 20 now 35. Okay, यहाँ 10 करो, 10 20 30 और कितना 50 हुआ तो और एक 28। ऐसे भी हो सकता है। अरे तो 5 15 ले लो या 5 या 15 कितना हुआ 20 और या 30 हुआ ना 30 20 30 50 हुआ। बराबर ये भी हो सकता है 20 30 और 20 50 और दिस इज 25 प्लस 20 प्लस 30 50। कितना ट्रांजैक्शन है वो देखना नहीं है। It may be one or it may be so many. It may be one or here it may be so many. Think what you have to look, that is total of the debit column and total of the credit column, amount how much. Now tell me the steps what I told that will follow. Which side is more? This is 50, this is also 50. So make it total 50. This is 50. Both the side total are same. Now, is it possible to find out the balance? It is not possible to find out the balance. Balance only it will come if both the side total are makes difference. Makes differ. Total of the debit and total of the credit, if it is not equal, that is called balancing. How much is less, that is called balance. But here in these situations, you cannot find out the balance. So when total of the both the sides, both the amount column, total of the both the amount column, if you get equal, then make it a total and close it. That is the, don't find out the balancing. There how we are writing the balancing, either CD or BD, of debit side or credit side. That step we will not do if both the sides total are coming equal. If both the sides total are not coming equal, then only we will find out the balancing. So once again you find out, this is both the sides total are not equal, what we made the balancing, this is also balancing, this is also we have done the balancing. This is not possible to find out the balance because both the sides total are equal. If both the sides total are equal of any ledger, that is called squared up account. Squared up account. Squared up accounts means both the sides amounts are same. Such cases we cannot find out the any balance of that. So fourth step I told you, squared up account you will find out in your book. See page number 237, balancing an account. Here it is given carried forwards or CF or carried down, brought forward मतलब BA. पेज नंबर 237 बोल्ड लेटर में मैंने CDBD लिखा, वहाँ CF BF लिखा. CF BF and CDBD both are same meaning. Square up account. Understands? This is called square of account SQUARED, ठीक है लिखना SQUARED स्क्वायर है। ये देखो पेज नंबर 239, पेज नंबर 239 ओपन करो। ऑन द टॉप यू सी that is debit balance, credit balance and square of account like that it is given, and in this way you will find out the balance sheet. One more step I want to tell you, not step, one more point I want to tell you, that if anyone says to you what is the balance of cash account, what answer you will give after doing the balance sheet. If any question comes, what is the net result of cash account or net balance of cash account, the answer is which side BD is there, that is the answer. This side debit side BD is there, this is debit side BD is there, and this is credit side BD is there, and there BD is not there. The answer it is like that. If anyone says what is the balance of cash account, you will say cash account debit balance 25,000. BD जो साइड में है उसका आंसर है कैश अकाउंट डेबिट बैलेंस, BD is the side, CD अमाउंट BD CD आर सेम, बट साइड आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा। क्यों? आंसर इधर भी आ सकता है, आंसर इधर भी आ सकता है। कैश अकाउंट डेबिट बैलेंस 25,000, इसलिए आंसर सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट बैलेंस 15,000, salary account debit balance 15,000. That means the difference between both the sides of salary, debit side is 15,000 more. So which side is the answer of each balance? Answer will come in which side, or amount will come in which side. Or the question comes, what is the answer of the cash account? You will say cash account debit balance 25,000, because which side BD is coming, that is the balance. Salary account debit side 15,000. So salary account debit balance 15,000. But commission account credit balance, because BD comes in the credit side. So commission account credit balance is 15,000, and Mr. X account you will not have any balance. So you will not find out, this is not the balance of that. According to your textbook, whatever the things I have to teach you from this chapter, I had to teach you, I already taught you. Now all the steps I tried in my level best to cover up. Even though if you do not understand in any place, you can tell me. According to your textbook, page number 242, the exercise question number 1, that is MCQ, answer is given. Even though if you do not know or if you have doubt, you will tell me. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. All this practical as well as the theoretical, all the questions you have to write in the fair book. Fair book is compulsory. Don't think that no need to write the fair book. Make the habit to write the fair book. Okay? Then page number 224, question number 4. Some of the accounts without doing the balancing, you can say whether it is a debit balance comes or it is a credit balance comes, but not all. I told some. Which account you will be able to find out or able to say whether it will come debit balance or credit balance? Balance which side it will come I can say, amount I cannot say. If it is a expense account, name of a expense, then it comes always debit balance. If it is a name of a income, it comes always credit balance. Some of the accounts you cannot say whether it comes debit balance or credit balance, like the personal account, Mr. X account, Y account, Z account. Expense account, say the salary account, ये हमेशा डेबिट बैलेंस में आएगा। कोई दिस अकाउंट इफ आई ओपन इट विल कम डेबिट बैलेंस ओनली। इनकम अकाउंट, दिस इज इनकम अकाउंट, इट कम्स हमेशा क्रेडिट साइड बैलेंस। दिस इज एक्सपेंस अकाउंट, इट कम्स हमेशा डेबिट साइड। कैश अकाउंट ये हमेशा डेबिट में आएगा, कैश अकाउंट कभी क्रेडिट बैलेंस में नहीं आएगा। लाइक दैट few of the accounts you cannot say whether it is debit balance or credit balance, but few account you can say. If it is expense or loss, it is always debit balance, expense and loss. If it is incomes and gains, income and gains, it will come always the credit balance. Some of the accounts you will find out, the one account is the reverse of another account, or the opposite. Just a purchase sales, this is the reverse account. Capital drawing, opposite account. Debtors, creditors, opposite account. Purchase return, sales return, opposite account. Like that, you will find out if you able to know the balance of one account, you can find out the balance of another account also. जैसे drawings and capital, drawings is always credit, drawings is always debit, उल्टा बोला, capital is always credit balance, drawings is always debit balance, purchase is always debit, sales is always credit, sales return is always debit, purchase return is always credit, debtors is always debit, creditors is always credit, bills receivable is always debit, bills payable is always credit. Like that, you will find out the expense and loss or assets. If it is coming, it is debit balance. Incomes, gains and liability, it is credit balance. Like that, question number 4 of page number 244. Purchase expense debit, sales return debit, capital credit balance, rent received account, that is income, credit balance, drawings account, debit balance, goods burned by fire, credit balance, advertisements expense, debit balance, sales account, credit balance, debtors account, debit balance, debtors means customers, creditors means suppliers, salary account, expense debit, building assets debit, bad debt, loss debit, loss by theft, loss debit, contribution to provident fund, expense debit. Remaining questions, I think you will not have any problems. You will try to do it. I will know if you have any problem, you will tell. Hope you are understanding. Okay? Bye. All the best.